I grew up on a farm. I'm probably happier when my hands are dirty, or just as happy as when they are in a pair of surgical gloves. In any way that I can help to make this a healthier planet, to decrease the level of our consumption, our destruction of it, I am a happier individual.
One of the unique things about the City of Westerville is we're a public power community. And what that means for businesses and residents is the City of Westerville operates the electric utility. And so with that, we're able to provide programs and initiatives like BusinessWISE, in which we can provide a personal touch to our businesses and customers. The BusinessWISE program is a program we put into place about 3 years ago. We have a small BusinessWISE program and a large BusinessWISE program. And now customers of all sizes can apply.
The application for the incentive from the City of Westerville was really quite easy.
You can either call us here at the Electric Division at 614-901-6700 or take a trip to the website at www.westerville.org/businesswise. And from there, there's a big bold button in the middle that says check my eligibility. And that's really just a way for us to kind of get some information and find out which program you qualify for. From there, we reach back out to you and kind of walk you through the process step by step.
Westerville has been very supportive to help us literally with the funding for some of these projects. They have not been inexpensive.
Their story started back in 2014 when Dr. Siegel reached out to us when he realized that his facility was using more energy than it should be.
We lived in the building, and then my electric bills started to come, and they seemed rather high, and I followed them for a number of months. And when you did a simple analysis to look at what my cost was per square foot, it was not in line with other buildings in the neighborhood. We were puzzled. We didn't know where the energy was going.
And he attacked that problem, and we worked with him, and I think that speaks to the success of the program. The program was so successful for them, they reapplied again in 2016.
We are very thankful for the Westerville programs to incentivize work in the area of energy efficiency. Working with them and gaining their support has made our process simpler and fiscally less costly.
Instead of having to be able to quantify savings from a program, they just need to know what they did. So for example, if a business wanted to replace their existing lighting with LEDs, rather than knowing how much energy an LED saved, they just need to know how many LEDs they put in, and then we do the rest from there.
As I've learned more about this whole process, I believe there probably are other businesses out there that have never asked the question. Almost certainly, since we had the problem, others do. I don't know if it's 2% or 10% or more, but at least people should ask that question, maybe turn to a professional to say, can you tell me if you think we have a problem with this? And if so, then they should look closely at having a commissioning project done.
Well, the first thing we found is the automation system had a lot of components that were still missing. So what we tried to do, and these were all software items that we were easily able to add without electrical installation or new hardware.
Some really common issues are lighting. Lighting is our most common application. Additional improvements that can be made to save electricity are HVAC improvements. One of the things I like most about the BusinessWISE program is it shows the Westerville Electric Division is environmentally friendly. When we're able to help businesses save kilowatt hours and save money, the utility saves money, and then we can pass that savings along to all of our customers, and we all win.